Hello students, welcome to lecture of Kinematics and Theory of Machine. Myself Professor Patel, and we are going to continue our chapter Cam and Follower. So we are continue examples of cam profile, and in this lecture we will cover numericals from this chapter. Per roller follower means a radial type on line of action of follower pass through the center of cam. So first of all, read the data. Draw the profile of cam operating a roller follower. So roller follower is there, 30 mm diameter is given. Okay, lift of the follower is a 36 mm. So rise or stroke is 36 mm, 60 degree rotation with simple harmonic motion. Okay, check this, simple harmonic motion is given here, simple harmonic motion for the rise, and after that follower remain at a rest for next 60 degrees, so theta 2. Okay, dual angle is 60 degree. Follower is then descent means return. Okay, theta 3, return angle is given 60 degree of cam rotation with, check this, uniform acceleration. So there is a two type of displacement diagram will be there, for rise simple harmonic and for return uniform acceleration. Okay, it remain at a rest for the cam. So theta 4 is not given here, we have to calculate that, but remaining theta 4 will be the rest of cam rotation. So you have to calculate theta 1, 2 and 3 first, and 360 minus theta 1, 2 and 3 will give us dual angle theta 4. Least radius or minimum radius or base radius, that can be given by any means of that. Okay, so it is a 50 mm. Let's put this given data we have taken. So check this, first of all, lift is 36, rise angle is 60, dual is 60, okay, and return is a 60 also. But motion is a simple harmonic during the rise and return with a uniform acceleration. Dual remaining angle will be 180 because 360 minus 180, so it will 180 theta 4. 15 mm base radius, and you can check this, roller diameter is given 30 mm, but I am here we are indicating radius, RR, radius of roller. So 15 mm radius of roller. Roller type follower is there, and rotation not given in this given data, so we will assume that cam is rotating in a clockwise, so we will draw the cam profile in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is the given data. Now we are going to draw the displacement diagram and in displacement diagram always scale is at 20 degree is equal to 1 centimeter. So first of all, you know that what we have to do, first of all make the rectangle whose length will be 18 centimeter and height will be the lift is given here 36, so height will be, then divide this rectangle into 4 parts as per angle. You know that 60 divided by 20 degree, it will give you 3, so 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So rise, dual, return, and remaining 180 is equal to 9 centimeter. So this will be 9 centimeter. Okay, and after that you know that divide this rise and return in 6 parts and make the displacement diagram here as per uniform simple harmonic motion, and in return there will be uniform acceleration. Okay, so this will completed by this. You have to make semicircle here, semicircle is there, and extend these lines here. You can check extending these lines, and intersecting point will give you this curve. Okay, this curve which is a rise, okay, and simple harmonic motion, then dual, and you will draw this uniform acceleration. So that's how you will get this displacement diagram. Now we are going to start the cam profile. Okay, there are very few points are different. Okay, 2 or 3 points we have to make sure during the roller follower. Okay, let's start. So first of all, base radius. Check the base radius is given. Base radius is equal to 50 mm. So first of all, make the circle of 50 mm radius. After that, you have to draw the line here, center line, which we have draw a center line. Okay, and with respect to this center line, we are going to divide this circle. But remember that if roller follower is there, we are not dividing this base circle. First of all, we are drawing the roller here. So make the roller. Okay, so roller will be at a contact with this base circle, and make the roller of radius is given here. Radius is 15 mm. Okay, now make another circle from the center, will be the center of roller. Center will be here and radius will be up to this point, and make circle here. Okay, okay, make circle. So this is the base circle here. You can see this is the base circle, and you draw the circle from the center of this first roller. This is known as a prime circle, and all the measurement we are going to take from the prime circle. Remember that in knife edge, all the partition notation we are giving on a base circle, but in roller type of follower is there, we have considered the prime circle for the notation and partition. Okay, let's start. So first of all, make the 4 partition as per given, 60, 60 and 180. So this is the 180. So now 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 and theta 4, 180. Now you know that what we have to take, what we are going to do, 6 partition of rise and return. So check this, 6 partition of rise, it will be 10, 10 degree. 60 divided by 6 partition, so it will be 10 degree each, and for same as a for return. Okay, now what you are going to do, give the notation here, notation on the prime circle. Remember that this is, you have given here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In return 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash. So same points like base will be you give here, where on a prime circle. Like here it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After that 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash here and 6 dash. So all point will be reference, or we will take measurement from these points. Okay, so we have to consider prime circle. And now what you are going to do, measure this distance here. Which distance? 1 to B, 2 to C. Same as in a knife edge, all this distance we have to measure. Like I am going to give you an example, 4 to E. So I am going to on 4 to E, something somewhere here it will. Okay, so I will give here as a point this. So you will get points like B, C, D, E, F and G as per measuring from here. And same as here, you will get points on a lines or partition you have make. Okay, now what you have to do in a ruler. In knife edge you are directly draw the profile. In knife edge you are directly draw the profile. Okay, but in flat face what you have done, in flat face you are making the profile here, like at every point you draw the perpendicular lines. Okay, and same will be in a roller. In roller the profile of roller follower is a circular, so we will make circle at every point. Okay, every point. Center will be on line and radius is a 15 mm, and where we make the circle at every point. Okay, now same will be here, circle at every point with a compass and center will be on a line. So this type of circle you will get at every point here. And now you have to draw the profile. How you will draw the profile? Check this. You have to make starting from the base circle here and end will be here. Always remember that this is your dual, it will be the here profile. This is the profile of dual theta 4, but profile will start here, and make sure there is always contact with each circle. This type of intersecting should be not there. Okay, only contact, no intersecting, and this profile you will pass through all the circle here, and it will give you cam profile for the roller follower. Okay, check this. So this type of profile you will get at the end. This is the theta 1 60, 60 dual, theta 3 60, and remaining 180, and all the points you will get on the prime circle. And when you get this 1 to B, this is the B, C, the points you will get, and make circle on every point, and you will draw the profile which is only touching, not intersecting the circle. Okay, so that's it. This is the profile for the roller follower. So whenever you draw the roller follower, remember that there will be two circles. First is a base circle, and then from the center of roller there will be prime circle. So in knife edge only base circle is there. In roller follower two circles are there, base circle and prime circle. Or all the measurement 1 2 3 4 5 to 6 and 0 dash to 6 dash, all the measurement, this distance, you know that this distance we will take from the prime circle. We use the base circle only for drawing the profile, means starting of the profile and ending of the profile will be done on a base circle. Remember that, students are making mistake here. Okay, and you don't need to draw full circle. If you draw only half circle, so that is also okay, there is no problem in there. But remember that this profile should not intersect the circle, only contact, minor contact, tangential type, tangent should be there. Okay, that's it.